Live from Phoenix, Arizona, World Famous Foods. Today we're doing ranch fried chicken. Check us out. Okay, let's season up our chicken here. Some salt, a bit of black pepper. I want this stuff to taste pretty good, you know. Got some red pepper, just a little kick, World Famous. Some Old Bay seasoning. Then we got some chicken seasoning here. Okay, we'll marinate this for half an hour. Okay, as our chicken is marinating, let's get our flour together here. So we get all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning again, red pepper, and our chicken seasoning. Let's mix this up. Right. Okay, so to our flour, then we add a Pkg Ranch Dressing here. Oh yeah. Okay, now let's flour up our chicken here. Dip it in this flour. Nice, well coated, baby. Nice, well coated. Okay, now let's put our chicken in. Oh yeah. Good. Just right. Okay folks, so after 6 minutes we're going to turn here. Oh yeah. All right, folks, it's the last batch. We're taking them out now. All right. Juan Daniels, eat your heart out, buddy. Here we go. It's our World Famous Foods Ranch Fried Chicken.